If you're a literature student, people naturally assume that your life is very boring. क्योंकि आपको करना तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. You just read novels and poems and stuff like that all day long. करना कुछ भी नहीं होता है, आराम से बैठ के आप सिर्फ रीड करोगे. But people who actually read literature know that this is far from being true. The first struggle that almost all literature students face with is keeping up with the timelines. So, English literature spans centuries of time, from the Anglo-Saxon period to the postmodern. It's humongous stuff. So each period has its own authors, own texts, own themes, own styles, and obviously own historical significance. And it can get a really cumbersome task to remember who belongs to which age. For example, Chaucer belongs to the medieval period, Shakespeare is associated with the Elizabethan era, and George Eliot is with the Victorian movement. And for English literature students, remembering who belongs to which age can feel like solving a giant puzzle. So there is one tip that I would like to share, that instead of remembering randomly who belongs to which era, create visual charts, like create a chart, for example, रोमांटिक पीरियड, एंड आप स्टार्ट करो वहाँ से कि वर्ड्सवर्थ है पहले, फिर कोलरिज, फिर सेकेंड जनरेशन रोमांटिक्स, कीथ, शेली, बायरन वगैरह वगैरह. तो visual representation helps a lot in remembering instead of simply randomly mugging up facts. This is a tried and tested formula. The second struggle is remembering authors and their works. आप prominent works तो easily identify कर पाओगे कि किसने लिखा था, जैसे हैमलेट का शेक्सपियर obviously, लेकिन कुछ minor works भी होते हैं जिससे identify करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. And for exams like CUT PG or UGC NET even, it's imperative that you identify the works with their actual authors, and it does get cumbersome at times. Small tip is make author work lists or flashcards to revise easily. आपको एक बार में सब कुछ याद नहीं होगा, एक्सपेक्ट करना भी काफ़ी फ्यूटाइल है, इसलिए फ्लैशकार्ड्स को आप गैप्स में चेक करते रहिए. आप यू हैव टू जस्ट लुक एट देम एवरी नाउ एंड देन. उसके बाद आपको याद हो जाएगा. देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड चांस दैट यू विल एंड अप रिमेम्बरिंग देम.